welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video of a life hacks of personal items at home that you have that you do, like you have a phone that you sometimes your lights or something that you think better or something for you. And if you're new, this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Tiffany and this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe and press the bell notification so you don't miss out none of my videos, and share this too in all my channel and my videos too. But let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to be using my, if you got something that's like a mascara that's a little dirty like this and dirty because of the brush, so okay, get some Q-tips. I just thought of this doing this just now. Use this. You can try this out and try to clean it. Use it, but wet the Q-tip first. Do this and pour this. Let's see. Let's see. Is that you can clean your foundation kind of dirty, like, you know, right here and right there too. So you do the same thing with the Q-tip too and clean it. See? Yeah. It looks kind of dirty, so I need to do that and do this after I do this video. I'm gonna clean this so that. Okay, I got it down because I was trying to open my makeup box thing that I have, so I decided to put it down. Use like your makeup wipes. If you have the same makeup and you run it out like me, I need to keep some, so you should use the same makeup wipe. I know it's not dirty right now, spots on it, and use the same one but wet it because sometimes it will get dry, or if it's still wet, okay, and just wet it and squeeze it out and just wipe your face off. Some other stuff down that I thought of that I've been using too. So like your iPad, right now I'm on my iPad, but I did screen record of it, that you can screen time your iPad and your iPhone to let your, I don't know about the iPhone, I think they do have that, let your whole apps rest until the next day you get on it. So I decided to record it. You'll probably see on there that so you can remind yourself on the iPad and the iPhone that you can remind yourself to go to bed. It has that on there too. It's on there right now. The one that you can set yourself to go to bed early, what time you should go to bed, and you can do that too with that. And YouTube has like a set to let your YouTube let that rest too. And I just started doing that on it's not on my iPad, but you can do it on your phone. I think the iPad, it hasn't showed that on that one, but iPhone and like Android phone and iPhone, I say, it's another one that you can do on your iPad and your phone is you can set your time, a timer thing to set your brightness down when it's at nighttime, so it don't mess with your battery on your phone. What I do on my Android phone, I forgot how to go to it, where to go. I know it's at the brightness power, and it's somewhere else that it tells it. I kind of forgot how to do it. Okay, the next one I thought of is to get, if I want to get a stain, because like it's like kind of, I don't know if you have to see this thing, but it's like, and I'm gonna use this and see if this gonna try to come out. So let me try this. Let's make my clothes look good. I want to test out. This is still clean. It has some new. Out and see. make it. Oh Lord, it makes it smell good. It's like perfume. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little. So you can put it under your shirt too. Okay, it's kind of musty. My shirt musty. Oh my god, I'm not wearing this. I might put in dirty clothes. If I put it inside, not under. Inside a shirt, and see if that smell of like. I'm telling you, it's my mom's thing. For you to have enough space in a small closet like this, I had a small closet like this, but it was never like having shelves right here. You know, with coverage as I'm putting in a plastic bag like this. And also have a trunk to put like your stuff in here, and put your shoes behind, like your boots and shoes behind like your pants and stuff, and you have some shirts and all other stuff in. Okay, this is filling. I don't think let me this on waist open. Let me look on Pinterest, because I think Pinterest was showing that is to do something like this. Sorry about my hand. It has to be like that, and I didn't do it right. I think I did this time. Whenever I get this, I will do another video. It says you can put lemon in it too. I'm gonna try my favorite eyeshadow. This one. And I hope that you have one side is like that. So I think I kind of did this okay. Like it kind of, you could just like go over like this and do another one. Can do this is that you can use one of your eyeshadows as a highlighter, and if you don't got like highlighters that you have, you can try that out. So I'm gonna try it out. One of my this right here is kind of got a little pink in it. So I'm gonna try with my finger. Put it in your cheeks where you contour, and you could try that out and see how it comes out really good. But I think I put too much on my chin. Messed that up. Now the next. Okay guys, I'm back. I saw this YouTuber, I forget her name, but I know she hasn't been making that much videos, but I still love her videos and her channel. Just do like this, look at this, put this in your mouth, because she tried this out and do this, and she gets it under her eyes to get all that black stuff, so that especially if you got like a little makeup under there, you could try that out. And guys, I hope that y'all like this video. Just thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and press the bell notification. My eyes are still missing. Oh Lord, my eyes. And put hashtag notification squad. Oh my Lord, my eyes. And so I can feature you in my videos, like a shout out, feature in my videos at the end, or on this video or any of my videos. If I don't do that, I might just do it whenever I get some comments, if I do. So yeah, but you can follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I gotta go. So I see you later, and peace. And I gotta get this stuff in my eyes. Ooh.